open up, they say that they're not opening up. If you open up, they say we are opening up. They have to make up their mind, what is it that they want. Really, I think it's sometimes quite sad to see that, they're always only trying to find faults in everything that's happening. I don't think that's the way governance and politics should work. One has to work in a positive way to be able to give positive suggestions to the government. And I think I've seen that their way of functioning has been only to be negative. And I like criticism in a positive manner, but I think being negatively criticizing everything is also not a good thing to do. And therefore, obviously, we as a government would like to see what other states are doing. It's natural. We like to see which is working and not working. That is how I should say people would work, that they would see the experience of others and see how the experience of other individuals or states have worked in the policies they've adopted and pick out the best strategies from it. So we are always very clear that we keep the safety and security and health of our people as priority, but we try to balance it out with the economic hardship that people face. And therefore, as we loosen the restrictions, the health risks go up. So balancing these two aspects is what we've been trying to do. And we are not saying that our policies have been 100% perfect, because this is an uncertain environment we're in. But we have done the best we can, and we have tried to keep the security, safety and health of the people in mind. And as I said, the opposition and the TMC is free to say what they want to say. As I said, that when we do something also they say, why are you doing it? If you don't do it also they say, why are you not doing it? It's a habit, I guess, for them to always complain against the government.